Peace and blessing all 100 children and thing with Dale Jonah and thing like that. It is show the Queen quit head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. They right your back on Potawatomi, head name the Potawatomi and thing like that because this your part of the causeway, so you ain't supposed to did it for us on Potawatomi Island yet. We call Palawana and thing like that. But we want to say thank you to all 100 children who get the word out all across the world. But what been going on y'all? You're steady. We've been there to the weeping time in Savannah. And we launched the Gullah Geechee, saving the Gullah Geechee land caravan right there. Why? Because all these years that we sacred area and things like that, where we ancestors and things we did it, and things been going on to we ancestors, we can't let these other rest of people that come in here and broke up this year. Tall. Now how respectful we tall, whether we the living or we the dead. So for all the 100 children who know cracking teeth like this year and things like that, they know yet we, but then overstand tall. Let me talk this way so that all of you will understand what I'm saying. This is Queen Quet. I'm the chiefess and head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. I'm also the founder of the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition. We have launched the Saving Gullah Geechee Land Caravan. We pray that all of you have heard about it, all of you are participating in it, that watched the first video of me coming to this sacred burial area. Now I want you to notice now this tape that just got put up within the last couple of hours by the survey company that surveyed this back in 2006 with ground penetrating radar. They did it with ground penetrating radar because of the destruction that was coming on either sides of this and the potential for that destruction to infringe upon this protected area, which is a graveyard. It is a burial area. It is a Gullah Geechee sacred ground. There's a difference between a graveyard and a cemetery. A cemetery will have perfectly coiffed grass and perfectly aligned headstones, perfectly aligned monuments, vaults, and so on. That's not what we do at a graveyard. A graveyard is like a yard. It grows naturally. And I thank all my Igbo family that wrote me from Nigeria that said, Quinn, this is Igbo. What you are showing there, this is Igbo. Right, because Igbo traditions are our traditions. I thank the family in Angola who said, fight, Queen. We are with you. And they did rituals and prayers on our behalf from Angola because they know we be Gullah Geechee because we were Angolan first, which is how we got the word Gullah, which means people blessed by God. And so as I told y'all before, if God be for us, who can be against us? God had it. My phone rang and awakened me after I went to sleep at 2 or 3 a.m. to tell me surveyors were in here. I then emerged to get things going to find out who was surveying in here. Fortunately, Beaufort County stepped up, had a surveyor who has surveyed land for my family for who knows how many decades now, had them come with that original ground-penetrating radar information so that we don't have to, again, pay for it to be done all over. They did this. Now, y'all notice where I am now. Y'all see those graves right there? If you watch the original video, you know right now I am further away from there than I was when I first showed you this burial area. Why couldn't I stand here when I showed you this burial area 2 weeks ago? Because a mobile home was sitting here. And I showed you, though, how these sinkholes and various areas that I was walking over were also right where it was sitting. Now you see that I'm within this blue ribbon. This blue ribbon, indigo ribbon, protecting a sacred Gullah Geechee burial area is not for naught. Now they acted like, oh no, when I called the police, like we were mistaken, we could be mistaken. We're not mistaken. Oral history, oral tradition, the lived experience in the Gullah Geechee Nation is what we rely on. Our elders teach us. What the children must know, you must teach them. We elders, and we mind we manners. So when they told us where the burial area is, they told us what sinkholes were, we knew to respect the area. Now you see that blue ribbon is cordoned off of all of this, which means the mobile home was approximately where I'm standing now, because y'all remember that I had to be all the way over it. I had to walk to the edge of it over here so y'all will even see what I was talking about. So you see now that also this road that I brought you down, that I told you I was stepping in sinkholes as I walked. Notice it also is safe in this, what they were attempting to make a driveway. All the way down. So y'all see, I'm not no storyteller. I tell people that all the time. Don't insult me and call me a storyteller. Storing in Gullah is lying. I do not have time to lie to anybody. I live this culture. I live this tradition. So you see that this is staked off all the way down that area. You see it's staked off all of this area. So we about to meet with the county. Y'all want to update. I wanted you to know this should have what's going on. But if you don't speak up and you don't stand for your sacred land, nobody else will either. So thank you for all the 100 children. What a support week. This year the Queen quit. Love y'all. Peace, blessings, and strength.